Kini kada Judicial MEGHALAYA bat ngipinang subhai pi barok shkut kubor mentaka janmit chuban pa si kubor ki babnya ini pet shwai kimat bakongsan. Letmi umuktiar ka HNLC ba Fernando Sangpliang hakmat ka tribunal letmi hadin sibnai. Mat kisnong bernihat ke jelam kelaya ya kejing jebok meriang ke bapalat liam pan menteri rang ba ke jela konrad ke sengma ya kejing itre lang jong menteri rang ba ke Assam ban weng ya kini kejing hap slap bat pria kensan hasilong klaim proceedings elektrik surat FCI road tak ya kejing me boarding elektrik. Bat la play yak yeng ka shari jong ka subdivisional court bashirta ha da dengri. Ki kubor ki babnya ya umuktiar jong ka kanhun seng leno HNLC u Fernando Sangpliang amsham la sha mantep ki kot ki slada ka unlawful activities prevention act tribunal namar ka tribunal kalabo ya ka sngi banle ya ka ne ha khalai trik rumpang kum ka tarik ba ka HNLC kala ban pha ya ki jung persya jongki ha ka pe de bat kini ka bentah umuktiar ka HNLC u ba Fernando Sangpliang lalet mi ahmad jong tribunal menta ka sngi sa jan ha ka sien ka benengkong ha bakren bat ki lat pathai kubor ule tho baula pha ya ki jung tho ahmad tribunal ban syai u baun pha ai kot kisla na ka bentah ka HNLC namar bagi kwa ba ka sarkar kan weng no ya ki jing khen be anya ki habi thu ba ka sarkar deng ba ka sarkar jela kila de ban pha ka affidavit jongki uni umuktiar uloang ba kila ya chakmat ha ka be de bat kani ka bentah da ka ba bishar ya barok ki saki star kat kum usang pliang un se bishar biang ya barok ki saki star bala pha da ka sarkar deng bat sarkar jela ha ka khnai trik wi yang ha go hati.
Have to proceed ahead for regarding the cross-examination by Monday, by next week, from the Union of India, they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit. Then the state also they will on the next week they will supply me the copy of the deposition along with the affidavit, and based on that, then from my side I have to go through what I have needed to before I go to for cross-examination regarding all the witness that has been submitted by the Union of India and the state government.
Kasnong bernihat ha MEGHALAYA kelamat ya kejing jabok kemariang ke balapalat ha ke ba kejing don ke air jabok kelapalat ban ya ke balak bandon. Haba jubat bekane kami MEGHALAYA State Pollution Control Board kala sedang ya kejing budden bat shim jingkhen ya ki karkhana ki badan ha kate ke jaka apa kejing tha jong menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad ke sangma lakmi lenti bakane kejing shim jingkhen an ha ban pha ha ka bakut jong new benai ke jela MEGHALAYA bat Assam kle trelang banwat ikilat ke lenti ban pendunai kini kejing ha ka ba usang ma ulai kran bat menteri rang ba ke jela Assam u himanta biswa sarma ha ka be de bat kene ka phang.
The Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board regularly monitoring all the industries located in the Barnighat area, and also some time and again we are surprise inspection also we are doing, and whichever the industries is not complying with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board, and we are giving directions under Water Act, Air Act. And also we are issuing closure notice if they are not complying in time frame. And also there are some instances we have imposed a normal compensation also. So this way we are regulating the pollution control board. We are regulating the all industries to ensure the compliance of the pollution control board norms. And
Keshelang kalau amhat kan san ya kejing kela kamriang mentakasni ha kabalayo ya kejing hap slap bat pria ha barok kawe kanong ba kabala pentut ya kayat kayeng bat kikam kiba man nakasni tenat India meteorological kala pelat ya kejing tip bat wat wanra kejing maham bala bandon kejing tiru pertat lele ha ki district baper kentup ya ke East KHASI Hills dan kejaka ha kabaki pus elektrik kila klem bat wanra ya kejing do ka boarding elektrik. Lasa kiru ba ki deng kila klem bat wanra jingma hai ki bobon ki jaka labatha ya ki brio bakin long ki bohusiar namar ki surok kila ban sentuj bat kata ya ki jing em maman la kasngi kajing hap selabat pria bakan san ha umroy menta kasngi kelawan ra ya ki jing julor jong ki ying kisem bat ki jing tung jing tem kajing hap pria kepala ne kumbakat tu kan minit kalapan julor ki jing tung jing tap bat kalapan pulam ya ki jing angno jong ki nong rap ban yo ya ki jing ot ke baseso ki breu ki la sakhi ya ki jing hap pria ki la yathu ba ki pria ki long ki ba heb ha ki bla sho ki leng kharep bat penruat lut ya ki jing tung tang hadi hapadeng kat tu kat nepor layu iru ba ki nong rap ki la lej ban pej ya ki jing tung jing tap jong ki don ki bla jaw ki umat namar ki jing do nong bo na ki ki sem ki la jat la pra bat kitnum yeng kila pay bat kijing pat jong kiet ka kenhun sipai Assam Rifles kala rakhe ya ka Veterans Day menta kasngi ban penkup brom ya ki sipai ki ba shlur kenthe bat sinrang ki bala ai ya kijing sekri sya kani ka kenhun sipai da kijing ai tilot bat da ka brom ya kani ka lumpung lapun headquarter jong ka Assam Rifles sa Shillong ha ka bala don lang ki he sipai bala shong thaj bat ki kurim jong ki sipai bala khlat no ban rakhe bat kan mau buram ya kijing no sen yang jong ki sipai sak tanat sipai ya kani ka sngi lapen ipu ipeng da ka penlong ya bon ki aka kum ka jing libu sentiu ha mot sa kan mau ya ki sipai bela khlat no ha ka thma bat bot pat da ki jing kren jong ki he besar ki bela na kren ki bela kren sapang ki jing job jong ka tanat bat ki sipai ha ki benta ba per ki sipai ki bela shong thaj ha ka tanat Assam Rifles ki long kum ka jing pen kan mau ya kanam ko burom jong kan ka tanat sipai bat kanang pen skamru ya ka jing long ka wei bat ta song ya kitu ki berang trei bat ki blasong thai ki bawan ra ya ki jing teli bat ki jing sngo sarong ha ka jing rakhe ya ka World Water Day ka Nature Care Initiative kala penlong ya ki jing lang jong kri barok ka wei halor ka Water for Climate Resilience Northeast India University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kani ki jing lang thmu ban ya kren halor ki jing pene pensa ya ka bat ki jing la ban ya le persha ya ki jing long ka swimleng ha ka thai ste lam mi ngi jong kri India kinong kren bapau nam ki thop ya ki riu shampang ha ga liang ka bat ki riu shampang ha ka puli puthi kle sam ya ki jing tip abnya jong ki halor ki jing pene ya ka mariang ki don langut ki na ka jalan khalia ki beli op den kusnam National Water Award 2024 na ka benta ki jing no sinyang jong ki ban pene pensa ya ka ha kani ki jing lang lapung san ya ki jing don kam ban pene pensa ya ka ki wa bat ban pene pensa ya ki jing long jing man jong ka mariang ha ka than laple ya ki yang ka shari ba serta jong ka subdivisional court da dengre henen kasngi akan kisngi la sakhi lang da ki riu dan buram bakan thu Justice IP Mukherjee Chief Justice ka High Court ke Jalam Khalaya bat ka Dr. M Amperin Lengdo Menteri Ketenan An ke Sarkar Khalaya ha ka jing kren jong u rupa M Marak MLA ke Dadeng Grey Constituency ulaban jur halor ke jing dan kam jong ke jing bishar bahok bat kabala ban yo da ka papan pa ba ka ne ke jing bishar ka pathamai kan pensuk ki pat ba kham tam ki beduna ha ka yo ka kot ban banyo ya kajing bishar bahok unong bishar just thank you ulapan pa ya kajing kordor jong kajing bishar kum kasyarak jong kajing kermen nakabanta kajing punpoy ya kajing bishar bahok amtang nakabanta ka dedengre na nakabanta ka rilum garo barok away bahat ka jala ka Dr. Mazel Amprin Lengdo kalapan pa kajing angnut jong ka jala ban ay ya kajing bishar hok ka bamar kaju bat kajing hirap an ka baklem don kam ban siu pisah.
From the side of judiciary, and I believe all of us as citizens, when we open the doors of this, I can say, with all the facilities it has, the state-of-the-art court building, we reaffirm our dedication to upholding rule of law and fostering a society that is based on trust, equity, and righteousness.
Thus, with the establishment of this subdivisional court at Dadingri, we hope to ease the burden for the delivery of justice to the people. We want to first strike justice by ensuring that this court becomes fully functional, thereby ensuring that there is a speedy disposal of the judicial procedures.
We will look at no action hadin mau lasak tenra haga weketrok hamoren kneng. Kini kejingja kelaja haga por bauba dailang sirup lau ubalah ripos nem karta ulahian naga kali jong u hakan rok maram shua ban poi hamor kneng ban pe kejing julor jong kali jong u hadin balasak tenra haga weketrok bom laban itu kam haswa. Ulaklat no hakate kejaka bat kibahing kilakan taj bakan dan kanu kejing lek bomman hakate kejingja. Kaselong kanong ba kabadan hapreng kilom jong kamekliar rengkat kejing itnat jong kamriang bat kejing tei kibakat kum kajuk thamai kalasha ainam kum ka smart city wala kejing don jong ka LED screen ki balapen I ya kaselong smart city bun kim dade ki khana ki bala ban ong ba kibakat kum kajuk bamenta badang bun ru ki bamat kejing bat yakini la ban wanra ya kejing kala la dale tungini kmi ya kani ka kubor.
Nalor ka jing ki wen jong ka jing ka baman la ka sngi ka don ka lang sa lang ka bai kendo ki jing ki bakerpang ki break badan jing duna ki de khotmet ha MEGHALAYA ki wat ki jing pen kala ha jing tai ban pen long ya ka jing le jing wan jong ki basuk ka bala ban yo bat ka bala lot ka wei ka kan thai ka badan jing duna ki de khotmet ka bala I tho kum I kong rina bat I baju penan kam ya ka wheelchair ila ya tho ya ka jing sham jong I ha ka bayat ha ki surok jong ka nong ba ki ba bun sen kim la ban poi bat kim long ki basnga ni ki bere kuma I ila pen pau ka jing kermen baka sarkar kan la ban pen kelai ka jing jong ki dak ba pen suk khandiat ka jing jong ki.
To my experience, we cannot say that city is not accessible. You know, we cannot say that it's accessible for a person like us. If you are to go outside, you would definitely have to be passed through the same road with a lot of vehicles. It's not safe. Many times, with my experience, it's not safe. I went to traveling like through footpath. But again, that is not accessible for us. What you have to stop halfway. You will need somebody to help you. Yeah. Would love if you can travel on our own. You know, that's the thing. Yeah, I believe government can do if they do the, implementing accessible footpath even for a person with us. Accessible footpath, yes.
I Dr. Lahun Lang M. Solia ibade I Director jong ka Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation I lapen sngow ya ka jing sngow kya jong I kong rina. I lapen ksan badang don kam ban le shibun ki AKA ban penlong ya ka shilong kum kanong ba ka bakin thop lang ibaro.
I found too many patients struggling because they cannot come for their appointments or struggling because many say I cannot go to church anymore. Or some say, I do not get to meet my friends anymore. So it affects them at a very whole level. Our government, if we want to really stand out, we're already the first in the Northeast, as far as we believe. But if we want to encourage tourism and people coming in from outside, they will work towards that. And I'm sure that that they are doing a lot of things towards that regard. And I know that there are plans of the government to push forward in this, whether it's public transport or things like that. There is still much more needed to be done. I don't think we're anywhere close to being a place which is friendly to our citizens. So, although they have done respectfully a lot, there's still much more to be done. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you all. And
Kakan huan jong kibre ki badan jing duna ha ki khot met ha MEGHALAYA kim shimpan ya ka AKA ka baram dor henrei ki pan tang ya ka jing le sngo lam ki barit ban pentikna bakin yo long lam kum ki wei ha ka jing ya lenti jong ki kat bang ngidang ya le ban penlong ya ka nong ba shalong kum ka smart city tungin omklet ya ka jing don kam jong ki nong shong snong jong ni ki badan jing duna ha ki khot met. Bureau Report, DD News, MEGHALAYA.
Mentang ini pek kejing long jumnan kesim dengan hatura kejing kriak kalong kat kendai degree Celsius bat kejing shit kalong lai 10 degree Celsius kejing sem kau hau kalong kendai puai ni kispa haba pai pat hanong ba shalong kejing kriak kalong kendai pun kendai degree Celsius bat kejing shit kalong kat pra pun nyo degree Celsius kejing sem kau hau kalong rup nyo ni kispa kejing hap slap kalong 0.2 mm kat bahajuai pat kejing kriak kalong kat lai degree Celsius bat kejing shit kalong arpuai degree Celsius Kajing sengam kau hau kalong nyupsan lagi spa kasumneng hatura bat jawai kan rang kat bahas long kalak bandan kajing hap selap ke melumalah ki kat tu kat ni ki jaka. Cuba benpoi saya berkut jong tuk kubor ni pek biang sesi ni kimat bakong san. Lejmi umuktiar ke HNLC ubak Fernando Shangpiang hakmat ke tribunal lejmi hadin shibenai. Mat ke sedang bernihat ke jela Meghalaya ya kejing jebok kemeriang ke bapalet liampan menteri yang bak ke jela konrad dia sang maya kejing trelang jong menteri yang bak ke Assam manweng ikni kejing Hap selap bat pria kensan aslong kelam proceedings elektrik surok FCI tak ya kejing mek boarding elektrik. Bat lapli yang KHASI jangka subdivisional court beserta ada dengri. Diperlok atau mina pois kebukut juga tuk bojeng yang taga janmit hadup ni sembiang.
एक छोटा सा बच्चा